Hello students, this is part 2 of chapter 1, what is democracy and why democracy. In this part we will be studying features of democracy. Features of democracy. In democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by people. A democracy must be based on free and fair elections where those currently in the power have a fair chance of losing. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value, also known as universal adult franchise. Not all the country enjoy universal adult franchise. Like Saudi Arabia, women do not have right to vote. In Estonia, citizenship rules are made in such way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get right to vote. In Fiji, the electoral government is such that the vote of an indigenous Fiji has more value than that of Indian Fijian. Indigenous Fiji means a person who actually belongs to Fiji, who is actually originated from Fiji. Now let us talk about fourth feature of democracy. Democratic government rules within limits set by constitution. It should work within limits provided by laws and citizen right. It should not change basic constitution. Now let us take example of Zimbabwe in context of feature 4. Zimbabwe got its independence in 1980, it in which ZANU PF party played major role. This party was led by Robert Mugabe. After election he became president. He changed constitution several times and gave himself lots of power. Strikes were made illegal. Government started controlling media. Government started ignoring decision of court also, and judges were pressurized to give wrong decision in favor of government. Now let us summarize this chapter in technical terms. Definition of democracy. Democracy is form of government in which rulers are elected by people. Features of democracy. Major decision by elected leaders. Free and fair electoral competition. One person, one vote, one value. Rule of law and respect of rights. Thank you. And in the next part, I will be discussing what are the flaws of democracy and why democracy is important.